Hey guys, my name is Damon Black and today I'm going to show you the fastest way to make money with CPA marketing as a complete beginner in 2020. And as you can see here, I'm in my Maxbounty dashboard and today I made over $58, yesterday I made $80, this month I made $2,644 so far. And I made a little Google document to show you everything you need to know step by step. Okay, so before I get started, I want to shout out my course, my CPA Marketing Mastery free traffic course. If you haven't already checked this out, make sure to click the first link in the description. It's going to show you how to become successful with CPA marketing and free traffic. Okay, so if you want to make that first $1,000 online and make commissions like this or this, make sure to click that link. Yesterday I recently added an Instagram automation bot tutorial where basically you can absolutely automate your traffic using this bot. Okay, so make sure to click that link and get instant access today. So without further ado, let's get started. So CPA marketing for beginners in 2020. What is the fastest way to make money on Maxbounty? Well, first of all, we need a network. Okay, so by network I mean for example Maxbounty or AdWork Media and so on. Okay, and then we need an offer, a landing page, and obviously we need traffic. So traffic, we can have free traffic or paid traffic. Well, obviously free traffic isn't free because we have to invest a lot of time of our own. Okay, so let me go over this step by step. So for the networks, guys, the first networks and my favorite one is obviously Maxbounty. Now, a lot of beginners are messaging me every single day that they don't know how to get accepted. Make sure to get my course, guys. It's all in there, okay? And these are some alternatives to that. One of them is CPA Lead, which is one of my favorites as well. CPA Grip, Affiliates. This is underrated, but it has many offers, and I am sure that they're gonna accept you as a beginner. Obviously AdWork Media, this is the network I started off with. Okay, so these are my top 5 affiliate networks. So if you don't have a Maxbounty account, don't worry guys, you can just sign up to these. There are plenty of offers inside these networks as well. Okay, so second, we need an offer. So obviously when we have a network, okay, when we are accepted into a network, for example Maxbounty, we obviously need an offer to promote. Now guys, for CPA marketing as a beginner, we need to pick offers that are low payout. Okay, so simple email submits or game installs, downloads, and CPA offers like that are going to convert well for us. Okay, so an offer that has a low payout of $1 to $10 is ideal. Okay, so the EPC is 20 cents or higher, and I'm going to show you a quick conversion hack if you don't already know this. Make sure that the offer has a conversion rate of over 7% if it's an email submit or a game install or a network like that. Okay guys, so I'm going to show you the conversion hack right now. So I'm going to pick a random offer inside Maxbounty. So for example, Coke versus Pepsi email submit. Okay, this is just a simple email submit. It has a payout of $2.40 per lead and network EPC of 5 cents. Okay, so what I would do is I would go 5 cents divided by 240, which is the offer payout, multiplied by 100, and the conversion rate of this offer is 2%, which is terrible. Okay, so make sure this number is above 7%. So let's pick one more. Let's do Airbnb hosting worldwide. Let's see what that is. 16 per lead and 80 per lead. Okay, 7 cents, not that good, but let's try it out. Okay, 7 divided by 16.00 is multiplied by 100. Okay, this is wait, this is incorrect, or it might be correct, you know. Okay, this is 0.43%. okay, so this is also terrible, but at the other hand, it has a payout of 16 per lead. But we're gonna stick away from that. So now we have a winner iPhone 11 single opt-in. Okay, so this has a EPC of 0.05 and 2.5 per lead. So this is also not that good. So we're gonna keep searching. You know what, guys? Let's do winner Fitbit. Let's see this one. Nope, this is also terrible. winner Huggies. Okay, 19 cents per click. Let's check this out, guys. Okay, so 2.4 divided by 2.4 is, okay, this is pretty good. Look at this, guys. This is almost 8%. Okay, so this is good enough. Okay, we can choose this offer and we can successfully promote it. Okay, so I want you to pick offers like this that have a single opt-in, you know, $2 per lead, $1, $1.50. Make sure to calculate the EPC and make sure this is above 20 cents. Okay, this is 19, which is not that bad, but you know, make sure to go above 20 cents. Okay, so this converts at 8%, which is pretty good. Okay, so let's move on. No major restrictions. Let's check that out. No restrictions. Okay, that's pretty good. And social media, we can promote it on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, blah 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 blah. Okay, so easy to submit, is it? Let's check that out. Default landing page, click that I button, and as you can see here, this is a simple, good looking landing page. All the traffic has to do is enter their email and we get paid. Okay, so that's really simple. Now obviously we need a landing page. So as you guys already know, my favorite and fastest option is ClickFunnels. It is a bit expensive, it's $97 per month, but it's totally worth it. But if you're on a budget, guys, don't worry, there's Weebly or Wix, so make sure to sign up to those platforms if you don't have the budget, $97 per month for ClickFunnels. Our landing page has to be with a high click-through rate, because, you know, 40% or higher. So what click-through rate is? It's basically when somebody lands on the landing page and clicks the button. That is a click-through rate. Okay, so if 100 people land on our landing page and 50 people click on the button, that landing page has a 50% CTR. Okay guys, so let me show you how to build one from scratch. Okay, I'm gonna go inside my ClickFunnels account. I'm gonna hover over this, click on build funnel. I've done this multiple times on my channel, so this is nothing new. I'm gonna click choose, collect emails. I'm gonna click, what is this? Use sweeps. Let's paste that in there, build funnel. Okay guys, so I'm in my page builder in ClickFunnels. I'm gonna show you how to create a simple landing page for this specific offer. Okay, so what I did, I just absolutely cleared everything out, and what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna pick the background. Okay, so I went into Google and I pasted in pictures of babies. Okay, and I'm gonna take one simple image. Okay, so I'm gonna pick maybe this one. I'm gonna click on save image, desktop, yes. I'm gonna add it right here into the background. I'm gonna click image URL, upload, open, wait for that to load. I'm gonna add it inside, and there we have a little background image of our own. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add a simple one column, add element. I'm gonna add a background on this. I'm gonna make this skinnier. Okay, so I'm gonna delete this. I'm gonna add new section. I'm gonna go medium. Okay, like this. Add new row. I'm gonna go one column. I'm gonna add a background to this. I'm gonna say background color white, and I want to put it at 50%, or let's do 90%. And then transparency, I want it down to 50% like this, or 70% like this. Okay, and then I'm gonna look at the Maxbounty offer. Join now and create your own Huggies package. Okay, so I'm gonna add element headline, test out our Huggies and keep them like this. I'm gonna add element. Okay, let's check out the offer again. Okay, I'm gonna add an image. I'm gonna say Huggy diapers I'm gonna say I'm gonna download this image right here. This is pretty good. Save image, save it. I'm gonna add it inside my Maxbounty landing page builder. Okay, so insert that there. I'm gonna say upload or add image. Sorry. Add image. I'm gonna make this a bit smaller. 450 would be good. Too big. Let's do 300. Just a simple landing page like this. Then we're gonna add a button. You know, this is really quick, guys. This is not the best landing page, but you can really play around with the colors inside ClickFunnels and really make a nice landing page. Okay, so this is just really quick. We're gonna go full width. What's the call to action? Okay, test and keep. Okay, so as you can see here, guys, there's no rocket science. This is a simple landing page, and I bet you it's gonna convert just fine. Okay, 30 to 40% at least. Then we can add the link inside, social raw link. I'm gonna click on this one. Yes, copy it. I'm gonna add it inside set action, go to website URL. I'm gonna paste it. Then I can save it. I can preview it. Is it good, guys? Well, that's pretty good. I can use it just fine. Okay, as I said before, you can play around with the colors and so on. Okay, so that's just a quick simple tutorial on how to create a landing page. And then the next one would be the next option. What we need to do is drive traffic, obviously. So obviously we can have paid and free traffic. For free traffic, we can do Instagram follow and unfollow. We can do this manually. Okay, so this basically means that we're going to be building up a page, okay, an Instagram page. We're going to be following people, unfollowing people, liking pictures, DMing, commenting, and so on. And this way we're going to be growing our Instagram profile. And with the link to the offer inside our bio, okay, people are going to click on that link. They're gonna check out the offer, and they're gonna enter their email on that offer, and we're gonna make a small commission. Okay, it's really simple. And next free strategy is Facebook groups and pages. So what you would do is you would go inside Facebook groups, okay, maybe moms groups, or baby groups or something like that, and you would basically interact with others. And then you would add pictures inside the group and so on and so forth. And then you would add your Maxbounty link, and people would submit their email, and you will get a small commission again. Then the next option for you is YouTube content creation. And obviously my favorite one is Instagram follow planner bot, where the follow planner is a bot for Instagram where it does all the hard work for you. It follows, unfollows, it DMs people, it posts pictures for you, and it's only $9 per month. Okay, guys, so you can connect up to 5 Instagram accounts, and it costs only $5. And bear in mind, guys, this is all inside my course. Okay, so you can see here, guys, traffic, Instagram automation, Facebook marketing, and all of that good stuff. Okay, so there's literally tons of content inside this course. And the last option I want to mention is the fastest way to make 1,000 with CPA marketing is obviously my CPA mastery course. Okay, there's just no BS inside, no bullshit. It's a step-by-step tutorial. Okay, it's easy to follow up. I have a bunch of testimonials on the sales page, so you can simply look at those, guys. And a lot of students are texting me that they made their first commissions, their first days or after their first week of buying the course. So this is absolutely risk-free, guys, okay? There's live case studies inside. Look at this, guys. I have done for you campaigns. I have case studies. There's literally everything inside the course, okay? And there's also lots of traffic methods, as I mentioned earlier, Facebook marketing, YouTube marketing, Instagram bot, and all of that good stuff, okay? So if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure to do that, okay? And make sure to comment CPA Mastery for a chance to win my course, because I'm going to be announcing on a winner my next video, okay? So without further ado, make sure to grab that course and start making those commissions. I'll see you in the next video.